It's cracked real bad.
It's cracked?
Yes, really bad. Look.
That's okay. You can make a decoration on it.
If mine's done.
Wow, that's a pretty egg. So do you guys know what the meaning of Easter is?
All about Jesus. All about Jesus.
It's about Jesus.
Oh, it's
What
already blue.
What happened on Easter?
Is this yours, Jesus Ian? From the dead. Ian, is this yours?
Very good. Great.
Is this one yours? Yeah. This is yours? Yeah. Wait, but is that Ian's? Yes.
I don't know, Grace. You have to keep up with them. You had 6 each.
This is.
Look how many Ian's got.
Mine's not.